Hello there guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel CADCAMSTER. Today we are going to design the simple part exercise for beginners in Solidworks 2018. Now this is a very basic part exercise, tutorial number 22. And in this tutorial we are going to create this simple part exercise with the help of a 2D drawing. You can see this is the 2D drawing of the part. First I will create this L-shaped profile, extrude it up to a thickness of 70. After that we will create this chamfer of 35. This is a vertex type chamfer, so you will also learn here how to create a vertex chamfer, and we will create this cutout also. And if you need this 2D drawing, I have provided the link in the description box to download this 2D drawing. And if you need more 2D drawings, you can visit our website www.cadcamster.com. Now before getting started, if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, I need not to tell you, you can subscribe it and enjoy the drawings so that you can practice on your own. Now moving on to the drawing. Now first I will enter into the part mode. For that, select here file, select here new. Now select here part, click here OK. Now you can see all these dimensions which are mentioned in the drawing are in millimeters. So first you will select here unit system, which will be MGS, which means millimeter gram second system. Now select background to plain white. Now select here front plane, go to sketch and select here sketch. Now select here line command, create one L-shaped profile. Let me drag this. Again, let me close this sketch like this. Now I will dimension these sketches. Now go to smart dimension. You can see the overall length is 65. Select this edge. This will be 65 mm. Now this is 80 mm. The overall from here up to here, this will be 80. So select this edge. This will be 80 mm. Now here you can see this is 35. Now select this edge. This will be 35 mm. Now one more relation we have to define. You can see this is 25 and this is 20. Which means that is total is 45. Select this one. This will be 45. Enter the value of 45. Click here OK. Now it is not horizontal, so select this line. Select here horizontal constraint. Now you can see it is fully defined. Now go to features, select here extrude boss face, select here mid plane. Now distance will be 70 mm. Enter the value of 70. Click here OK. Now select this face, click here normal to and select here sketch. Now select here line command. Select this corner, select this one and connect these two. Now we have to extrude cut this, but you can see it is still underdefined because from here up to here it is 38. So go to smart dimension, from this corner to this edge, select this edge. Looks like it is not selecting. Again select a smart dimension, select this corner and select this one. This will be 38. Now go to features, select here extrude cut. Now the cutout depth will be 20 mm. Enter the value of 20 mm. Click here OK. Now select here, click on this drop down icon and select here chamfer. Now Select here third option, which is vertex chamfer. Select this corner. Now the distance you can see from this axis, from this vertex up to this axis, and from vertex up to this downward edge, all three are 35 because the whole distance is 70. So from here up to here it is 35 and it is 35 and the remaining is 35. So that make sure you enter here in these three, D1, D2, D3 will be, or you can select here equal distance all of all three. Now click here OK. Now you can see this is our final part. In this way you can simply create this part. If you like this video, please do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notification of all our latest uploads. Thank you.